Darshini from Global Developers. Welcome you all for an exclusive video. Today I will take you to a trip to a unique new villa project located at Attibele Sarjapur Road. Without wasting the time, let's hop inside and take a look on the model villa. Excited? Let's get started. This model house as 2700 super build-up area comes with 3 BHK. And the main door is made up of solid teakwood from Burma brand, and the air locking system. You can give 40 passwords and 40 fingerprints to this, even the key as well. The living area starts from this end to this end, 11.11 into 11.2. So fall ceiling, furniture and the woodwork we won't provide, rest all are included. Anti-double scratch tiles from Johnson's. Now we have upgraded to Kajaria. We are going to provide you the open kitchen, which comes with breakfast counter, L-shaped black granite. You can change the colors also. Carousel sink, just imported one, soundproof one. Jaguar taps, both hot and cold. Switches from factory, Havells. So one more slab we are providing here as utility area. Stainless steel sink with drain board. Also a garden space, vegetable gardening you can convert as. And internal doors are made up of solid teakwood and finish is veneer finish. So room size is 14.4 into 11.9. So this comes with attached washroom. All the bedrooms comes with attached washroom. Stainless sink, Italian collection, wall mounted system and ladders up to the ceiling also. Anti-skid tiles towards the front. So it's a storage space. We have utilized the space very well. PPS points will be given here. For the stairs, it's green marble. And the railings from Ozone brand. So the one glass from St. Tony. All this we are included. One more spacious living area, family space you can call it as. Master bedroom. This is also 14 into 11. So master bedroom will give you the wooden flooring from Tessa brand. And for the washrooms, this comes with cubicle gas partitions, grand bed partition, and the rain shower, fall ceiling for master bedroom. One more bigger sink here, and the slab will be provided. And you can convert this into dressing area, study room or anything. Kids bedroom. So windows comes with a mosquito mesh as well. So if you want to upgrade this into skylight also can do it. It's a common balcony. All the switches are included. For further information like brochure, cost sheet, floor plan, you can contact to the number given below. Do subscribe to User Umbrella for exploring more real estate videos.